took a field trip to an aquarium, and I spent the whole day just looking at the map trying to find places I could sit down and just take a little relief from the pain, and all I could think about was getting home to my ZIIVAA belt and taking away that pain.
My most tragic, I would say, period story, I was trying out for my college volleyball team. And you know, you want to be impressive, you want to make your coach notice you. I guess she definitely noticed me because I looked down, there was blood all over my thighs, so I had to run to the bathroom, middle of tryouts, and come back, and everybody knew, you know, so that was definitely a day for me.
My funny period stories are either the times where you're at Target or something and leaning over the shopping cart, trying to act natural, not letting anyone know you're on your period and you're cramping.
My go-to period snack, I would say, is McDonald's French fries.
So my go-to period snack, anything that is within my reach, chocolates, candies, anything in the fridge doesn't stand a chance against me. But bring me a milkshake and I might just fall in love with you. So.
My go-to period snacks are always either chocolates or chips or anything sweet or salty.